Hey, you fucking cunt.
It's the first time for you.
Don't fucking rape me. Yo, Scott the Subway guy. What you fucking making here, buddy?
I'm making you guys a bomb-ass sub.
Nowhere else. Specifically for Snacky Eaty.
You want it toasted, fam?
Hell yeah. Bake that shit. 420 degrees for 69 seconds. Alright, layering on that fucking... Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
It's good with for your bones, fam.
Don't fuck with that weird breaded ass shit. Fucking weird greasy ass shit. Fuck with that roti. Oh shit, we got bacon. Ooh, we got
bacon.
All of the exact same dimensions.
Oh shit. Subway, what you doing out here? You're getting called out.
I do not trust Subway one bit.
No trust.
I mean, oh shit, put the gun away.
Subway fucking sponsor me.
Kind of cheesy.
Yo, I fuck with that cheese. The fucking that shit. Yeah. Fucking that white shit.
Nobody knows what it is to this day. People think it's actually nut just solidified.
Yeah, it's just some fucking dick cheese right there. Layer that shit.
Yeah, guys, it's dick cheese.
100% organic and fucking gluten free.
You see,
Wait, what?
me being part German, I work with a lot of ovens all day, so
Put that Jew at 420.
What do you want on it, fam? Lettuce?
Yeah, put that fucking lettuce on that shit. Put on them greens. Put on that fucking marijuanas. Ooh.
It's good for you.
What else you recommend on this shit?
You want some onions?
Fuck, I don't give a
onions
shit.
have layers, just like ogres.
That's pretty smexy. Some Shreksy shit.
Let's throw some cucumbers on there.
Cucumbers.
What
Boy,
about?
fuck with that cucumber.
Let's put some apples on there.
What are you, fucking gay?
Well, I don't know.
What are you, fucking gay?
Let's put some.
Do we need any more fucking
put some
greens? What are we,
mustard.
fucking
Mustard.
healthy?
Mustard?
Yeah, let's get that sauce.
Mustard.
I don't give a shit. What do you recommend?
Mustard and maybe
Just mustard. It's disgusting. What the hell is
maybe
that?
that barbecue sauce.
You fucking gay?
No,
Mustard?
no,
I don't
that's
play with
that
that.
gay shit. That's
Get
that
out of
gay
here.
shit.
Why'd you put mustard on? You can't put anything with mustard, you fucking
That's
retard.
true.
What the fuck is that? Is that?
Salt, pepper.
What is
That's
this,
the
a fucking
weed.
hot?
Go put some salt on there.
Ready?
Salt.
Ready? Oregano. Sell it to little
What the
kids.
fuck is that?
I smoked that shit.
Oh, hell
What the
yeah.
fuck?
He put the good shit on there. He hooking us up, what? We only putting mustard on that shit? Gonna be dry as fuck.
Not really.
What the hell?
You want to do it? Let's do it. Let's go. Hot sauce.
Alright, let's
Plus
not
sauce has
make
shit.
sure we don't get lost in the sauce.
All right, very little.
Oh.
Okay, that's not very little. Oh fuck, I'm gonna die. We should get a drink with this though.
I ain't eating that bullshit.
Alright, let's see that. We gotta jam that shit in.
Ooh.
It's flopping out the edges. It's like some used up pussy right there. It's just popping out the edges.
Goddamn, Maddie.
Oh,
too
the sandwich
much.
is getting lost in the sauce.
Hey, you can only cut it in two. I don't want that.
Yeah, that's whatever. You don't want it?
Disgusting.
Oh, you don't want it?
All right,
Okay,
bitch, what?
okay.
Alright. Snacky eating more. We eating good. Hit up my guy, Scott, the Subway guy. Greatest fucking legend of all time.
I'm getting a drink.
Low-key
I'm gonna
about to
die.
get fired. You already know Snacky Eaty don't pay for no fucking drinks. We get in that water cups. Oh. Hey, it's your boy, Snacky Eaty. And today, we got a very special sub from the boy himself, Scott, the motherfucking Subway guy. Look at that long dong, wing long, bullshit ass foot long. Let's fucking go. Unravel this fucking hottie out of the condom, little boy. Semen. Whoa. He has created a fucking art piece. Vincent Van fucking Gone Go. Let's go for a fuck. Ooh, we got that lettuce dropping out. Snacky Eaty still going fucking healthy. Let's munch into this fucking magical ass motherfucking sandwich created specially for Snacky Eaty. Let's see if I can fit this whole rod into my mouth. Wow. That is fucking intense. So much fucking flavor. I wasn't even sure if my rod could fit in there. Thank you, Jesus, for blessing me and keeping me from getting AIDS from all these goddamn thoughts, I say we go in for another bite. Real fucking good. Now your boy don't be paying for no fucking big ass drink. I'm not fucking rich. YouTube hasn't given me my goddamn ad revenue. Bitch ass videos getting demonetized. Suck my cock, YouTube. Now your boy gotta drink out of goddamn water cups. You gonna get your boy Scott the Subway guy fired. Sponsor me, Subway. I need fucking money. My children, my wife, they've all fucking left me. And I've been called a pedophile trying to pick them up from school 7 times. I am so embarrassed. Delicious. Very good. Yummy, yummy, and my butt holy. If you want to get this phenomenal fucking sub, come in on fucking Tuesdays, fucking Fridays, and fucking Sundays. And ask Scott to make the Beady My Meaty sub. And he'll make you this fucking phenomenal sub that you can't get anywhere else. So make sure you come in and bless up my guy Scott with that extra business before he kills himself. Make sure you tip him the long tip, the long dong, the wingy wong, the kingy kong.
There is only one thing worse than a rapist. Boom. A child. No.